Welcome to the Buddha's Meditation Free course, and today we will talk about the techniques of Buddhas. Buddhas is the best scientist ever born on this earth. He sat for the meditation and he kept on, watching his own body, because many places he read about, that God lives within the body. So he started scanning his body again and again, various times, and then he scanned every cell of the body. He was the first person on the earth to count the cells of the body. Okay, so he counted the cells. He went to the particles, atoms, and he just went in everywhere in the body, and then he searched for the enlightenment. So that kind of clarity and focus we need to develop, that kind of concentration we need to develop to become, to get rid of suffering. And believe me, that's not very hard. If you follow this path, that's very easy. Okay, so there are two techniques you have to do. So today we will talk about the first one, and in first one also there are two things you need to do. Okay, so the first one is called anapana. Okay, anapana is a Pali word. It means that breathing which is going in and going out. Okay, so in anapana what you do is you sit with your closed eyes and you focus on your incoming and outgoing breathe. Okay, so you sit with your closed eyes and then focus on incoming and outgoing breath. But you will say that where to focus? Incoming breath is going coming from here, then here, then here, then here, then here, then down. So where exactly to focus? You can't keep focusing all the way. So you need to focus on the tip of the nose. Okay, you need to focus on the tip of your nose. Okay, so when you are taking breath, you focus on the tip of the nose where the air is striking and going in, and then it will stop for a fraction of a second. So you notice that you don't have to say that the breath has stopped going. No, just notice that it has stopped going and again going out. You don't have to repeat any word in your mind. Okay, just watch that. So breath is going out, 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 and stop going out. You don't have to repeat, just notice that it has stopped and again going in. Stopped. Going out, you can feel the sensation here. So you have to feel the sensation of breath going out and in here outside the nostrils. Okay. So when it will touch, when you will breathe in, it will touch your nostrils and just feel the sensation and notice that it's going in, going in, going in, and when it will stop, notice that for a fraction of second, and then when it start going out, going out, going out, then you are watching and you are watching, and why again it will stop and you notice that it stopped. So you are doing two things. One is breath is going in, stop, breath is going out, stop, breath going and stop, and the feeling sensation here. Okay, now, when you are doing this is called anapana. When you practice this, multiple time, multiple thoughts will come, okay, and they will surround you. Okay, so just notice that the thought has come, and watch them, let go, let go. Okay, and again bring back. Don't never get irritated. Okay, because what happens is sometimes more thought will come, sometimes less thought will come, but thought will come. Okay, so you have to remember that you never have to get frustrated or irritated. Okay, simply smile if you can, and thought will come. They will try to disturb you. Don't get disturbed. Just watch them and they will go out. See that the thought has come and now it's gone, and now again you are back to the breathing. Breathing in, stopped, breathing out, stop, and you are feeling the sensation on the tip of the nose. Now what happens when you practice this anapana is your concentration is becoming stronger and stronger and stronger, and your mind is also becoming stronger and stronger. So the more concentrated you are, more strong your mind becomes. Okay, And more you focus on your breathing, more strong your, more concentration you get. So this is the best way to do Anapana. Okay. So you are, let me repeat one more time so that you get more clarity. Okay, because mind doesn't get clarity unless until you tell him again and again. Okay, so let me remind you once again. So I have not breathed now. I am breathing. I can see that the breath is going in and I can feel the sensation here. Okay, sensation here, and then the breath is gone in. Now it is stopped, and I notice that it is stopped. Now it is going out, now going out. That is done going out. I noticed. I never said in my mind that it is stopped going. Just notice that it is stopped going out, and you are done. Okay, so this is all you need to do. Okay, going in, you are feeling the sensation going in, you are just noticing, you are not repeating in your mind that the breath is going in, breath is going in, breath is going in. That's very wrong. Just you are noticing that's going in. You're noticing. There is someone who can notice it's going in, and when it stops, you can notice that it stopped. And when it's going out, you can notice, not repeat in your mind. Remember that. Just notice that it's going out, and when it stops going out, you notice that again that is stopped going out. This is Anapana. Okay, this will make your mind stronger and stronger and stronger, and will prepare you for the next step, which is Vipassana meditation, which is the original meditation. From that, you get rid of all your suffering and you become a very happy person, full of life, full of joy, who doesn't have any fear, no suffering, and success, all kind of success in your life. Whatever you touch becomes gold. Okay, so are you ready for it? I know that you're ready. And repeat this, practice this Anapana multiple times throughout the day for 1 week before you jump onto Vipassana. So for whole day, no, for 1 week, keep on practicing. While you are traveling, focus on your breath. Or see, it's not that you have to get worry that why I forgot. Okay, if you forget, if you're not doing, that is okay. Whenever you remember, keep watching, keep watching, keep watching. Again the thought will come, and particularly when you are traveling, your thought will come and will take you here and there. That is totally okay. For 1 hour, if you are not able to practice, that's fine. But for 2 minutes also, if you practice, that will give you result. Rather than getting frustrated and leave practice, okay? Never leave practice. Even if you do 2 minutes, that will give you some result, because it's very, very powerful. It start giving result from the day one. And not, I'm not only saying that, but there are thousands and lakhs of people that confirm that Vipassana meditation is the best meditation. The best way to get enlightenment and get freedom from sorrow and suffering is Vipassana meditation. You know, highest number of people have gone, no, have crossed past suffering using this path than any other path exists in the world. Okay, so you can blindly trust it. It's way powerful, and you can keep practicing while eating, while watching TV, while traveling, while walking, while sleeping. Anytime you can practice this. No, but apart from that, you need to sit and meditate for sure. Okay, you have to sit and meditate, because when you are traveling and doing those, you have you are experiencing only surface level. That is helpful. But if you want to go deeper and deeper and deeper, and want to become stronger and stronger and stronger, then you need to sit and meditate. Now, how to sit? Just sit in any way you can feel comfortable. Sit in any way you can feel comfortable. Okay, close down your eyes. Okay, close down your eyes. First, start with 3 deep breath, because when you deep breathe, the lack of oxygen wherever are there in your body goes out. Okay, so you don't have lack of oxygen. You are feeling strong. You are feeling fresh. Now, when you do meditation, now you are more fresh and you will be more focused. So here, the in meditation, focus is everything. Not only in meditation, in your day-to-day life also. If you are more focused, you are tend to become more successful. So here we are going to increase our concentration and focus. Okay. So sit with your eyes closed, take the 3 deep breaths, and then leave the breath and start observing the natural flow of the breath. Never try to take it intentionally. If the breathe is deep, let it be. If the breathe is shallow, let it be. Whatever the body is breathing, natural breathing is going on, just you are breathing, and your focus is not on breathing deep or shallow, but your focus is on the breath going in and breath going out. At the same time, you are focusing on when the breath is stopping and while going in and while going out. Okay, that's what you're doing. So I hope it's clear now how to sit, where you can sit on a chair, you can sit on floor, you can sit on your bed, but make sure that it should be comfortable. Take one pose and don't change your pose unless you are done for the meditation. Minimum time is 30 minutes. What less you can give? So start with 30 minutes, then you can take up to 2 to 3 hours is the best time. Start with 30 minutes and take it to 3 hours. Then, then my dear, from the day one only you will start experiencing the results and getting the results. Daily you can increase 15 minutes of your time. So start with 30 minutes, then 45 minutes, then 1 hour, then 1 hour 45 minutes. Okay. So I hope you are clear with Anapana, how to do it. Sit with your eyes closed, take three deep breaths, and then start observing the natural flow of your breath. And when it ends, see, observe that it ends, and when it's going in, observe it's going in, and you are done with it. And you are making your mind stronger and stronger by doing this. And you are getting ready for the next step, which is Vipassana meditation. This is Anapana you have learned. Now we are going to learn the final lesson, which is Vipassana, and then you can practice this. More you practice, better you become. Okay. But at the same time, you have not, you should not leave your work. You should do your work, because when you practice this Vipassana meditation and Anapana and do your work, you become more successful. You become more peaceful, more happy. You enjoy your work. Okay. So guys, let's meet in the final lesson where I'll give you Vipassana and you can practice that. Thanks a lot. Let's meet in the final lesson.